Okay, now you need to release the screws for the elevator system. Here, inside there is a screw. Second one here inside the screw, and the third one is get the elevator up. Here, this is a screw. We need to loose it. Also, same way like this. 1, 2, 3. We lose it. Okay. Now you will find these 4 screws here, and the other side here, same way. Please check if your screws are in the right position, because the elevator platform is fixed by these 4 screws and this one. You need to loose this out and then reinstallation the platform. Let us show you. And when you reinstallation the platform, please make sure it is in the same level.
Okay. 它也不扎上面就掉下来了，那要中间扶到这里。怎么你还在拍啊？你别把螺丝搞走了啊！
Okay, the platform move out right now. Now we reinstallation the platform. This one. Other side, this one. Okay. 装。
要放在水平的位置啊。
Please keep the platform in the same level. Use the screw to fix it in both ways. Okay, after you reinstallation the platform back, you can test the belt and the platform by your hand. Yes, like this, by your hand. Okay, thank you.